done, you're gonna try. It's gonna be dry.
I ain't trying.
Because yes, you are. Yes, you are.
You know how you grew up. I ain't trying.
The Marshall University football team wanted to learn about meal prep, and I was stoked. I was so excited about it. Most of the students like to eat, healthy food, but there's not a lot of places that can do that in town, so they want to do it themselves.
One thing I know is very important for these young men is health and wellness. And I wanted to get them in today with Izzy so that they can learn how to not just cook certain meals, but also meal prep. Nutrition is very important. We're very demanding of them schedule-wise, what we ask them to do.
So today we're gonna work with sweet potatoes, so they have more nutrients than a regular potato. Any bad recipe can be turned into a good recipe. They're gonna have my phone number. They can text me if they have any questions about, how to move forward with different recipes in the future. So yeah, it's super important for them to eat healthy meals with lean meat, some good vegetables that are, barely cooked, so they can keep all the nutrients for their bodies that they're gonna need for season 22.
Practices are long, our workouts are hard. The better equipped they are at home to be able to know what to put in their bodies, the better they'll be able to show up and perform.
I think it's important for them to learn that they can do this. Number one, it's not hard. They will learn how to go shopping, how to classify food, how to do a shopping list, how to get organized, and boom, dinner is ready, and they made it themselves. So I want to make them very proud of that they can do.
Like I said, it's about teaching them to be self-sufficient and be prepared. And I played the game here at Marshall. I played in the NFL. I know how important nutrition is, and these guys also have aspirations of playing on Sundays. So the more you can learn about how to take better care of your body, the better. This is one part they can do. They're learning here to help take better care of their body so they can do what we ask them to do.